UNice.
Now my passport.
Today I'm going to be talking about UNice HD lace wig. That's what this is. It's been some days, like I've had it just laying around. I haven't really been taking care of it at all. I've been ordering from UNice for about 3 or 4 years now, and they lashes got better. I haven't opened it yet. Let me feel the quality. I don't wear lashes personally, but I know like their old lashes used to feel like plastic. I mean, I guess these are like plastic, but the material and the quality of these are way better than what they used to send. Like way better. Like yeah, these are really nice. I like those. Look at this hair. Like it feels so pretty, like really nice. And this isn't even fresh out the pack. I'm gonna insert a clip of when I took it fresh out of the packaging. It was just so pretty and it's bouncy, flowy. For shedding, like I just pulled it and that's how much, like this is what just came out. But like, yeah, it don't shed too much. But like this is like how much. I don't know if you can see the shedding. Like it's just a few strings. You can't really tell. But yeah. The inside, this is the inside. And then combs. And then you got these little adjustment things. For the lace, it's supposed to be HD lace. I'm not sure if this is HD lace, but it was like nice quality. I think the hair is nice and full. I'm thirsty when I buy hair, so I like went and looked at some reviews on the hair before I purchased it myself. I wasn't sure about it because everybody was complaining. Oh, you can like see that. Everybody was complaining about like on the side, like the tracks stuck out. This one, they like made this one really nice because it's not like that. So if I do like swoop my bangs and stuff, I won't have like that extra piece of track sticking out. But anyways, so I'm going to Dubai, and that's why, oh yeah, I'm going to have to pluck that a little bit. And that's why I wanted to get a wig, but we gonna have to finesse this real quick because I'm not finna do the wig yet, but I want to get a review on the wig because this is shit. Let me do this. The wig don't sit on my ear. Like the wig is really nice. For the sake of this video in the review, I definitely recommend this hair. I've had the hair now for a week. It came quick. I purchased the hair through the app. Oh my gosh, look at this hair. Hold on, I can't even talk. My son is beating me up with his toy. So this hair is 28 inches. It's 28 inches. So if I flat straighten it, it'll come here. I'm 5'4". So this is where the hair comes. I'm just brushing it because it's been for like a week now. For a week now, it's been just laying on my little ottoman thing, just collecting dust. I haven't did nothing to the hair. I haven't put nothing on here. I haven't even washed the hair yet. The hair smells good. Like it don't smell like any chemicals or anything. Oh baby, you pulled himself. Oh, he pulled himself. Any questions that you have, please leave in the comments below. I was just trying to make a real quick video just to show the hair because I have to go somewhere real quick. But I'm wearing this wig to Dubai. I'm also going to be posting a video on my channel of my Dubai trip. Okay, so Again, I'm 5'4". This is 28 inches. I just want to show how long it is on me. So let me sit this right here. But anyways, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Comment anything that you feel like I left out. If there's any like questions or anything that you have, I'll get back to you as soon as I see it post, because I know like right now, like with the weather getting nice, everybody's trying to like get nice hair. My son just can't help himself, bro. Move, keep going. Okay, so yeah, so this hair, I love this wig. I definitely recommend this wig. They constructed this perfectly, in my opinion. When I put it together and everything, hopefully it looks good. So yeah, I'm about to take it off and just give like another close-up like in the sunlight, so you can really like see the wig and really see like the quality of the hair and everything. Again, because this is a big thing for me too, I am 5'4". This is 28 inches, and this is where it comes on me. I love this length. You know, I'm going to Dubai. I thought that I'd want like a 30 inch, but all the 30 inches was gone. I was kind of like sad about that, but this looks really nice on me, really nice and natural. I think this hair is everything. Like, this hair is everything. But okay, I'm about to take it off and give you like a close-up of the hair. Is why we shop with UNice, because look at this hair. Look at this hair. I definitely gotta do some little touches. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.